Hi, I'm Dawn. In this quick tip, we'll look at 3 more time-saving shortcuts in Microsoft Windows. Are you familiar with the Windows key? In our last video, I shared 3 cool tricks in Microsoft Windows. Look for these tips in this channel. So let's add a few more to our Windows toolbox. Number 1, the Start menu. For a quick way to open up the Windows Start menu, simply press the Windows key. Select from your options or press the Windows key again to close. Number 2, project. When you're connecting to a second monitor, projector, or other external device, press the Windows key plus the letter P to enable the project mode. From here, select how you want to view your computer and screens. Number 3, emojis. Do you want an easy way to add emojis to just about any type of communication in Windows? Simply press the Windows key and the period. And this will bring up a list of emojis you can add to an email, social media, a document, and much more. Try these 3 cool tricks in Windows. Windows key for Start, Windows P for Project, and to bring up the emojis, Windows key and the period. Which of these Windows tricks will you start using? For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Windows or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/windows. If this quick tip was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.